And base, base, base. Base, base card, base card. Oh, check that out. A Mosaics card for Robert Luongo. Louis. It's a pretty nice card. Well, that's different. It's Team Pinnacle on the back with Tim Thomas and Luongo on the front. I don't think I've ever seen such a card before. That's pretty neat. Decoy. Base, base, and base. Base, 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 and base. Come on, good cards. Base, 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 and we have a rookie, Maxim McConair for the Ducks, Mosaics. A nice hit. Ducks are having a good night. And base, base, base. Oh, this one feels pretty thick. Let's hope for something good. Base, 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 decoy, base, base, and base. And base, 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 base. Come on. Let's see some awesome cards here. Another base, 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 base. A Mike Smith for the Phoenix Coyotes. Mosaics. That's a nice hit for the Phoenix. And a decoy. Base, base, base. Base, 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 base. Oh, nice. A Threads, Jamie McBain for the Hurricanes. Jersey Threads. Very nice. Nice hit for Carolina. And base, base, base. And we have a base, 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 decoy, base, base, base. Alright, last pack, everybody. Good luck. Base, base, base. Ooh, what is this? A Tough Times Gino Orjic of Vancouver. Nice hit for Vancouver. And base, base, and base. So, let's quickly figure out which teams did and did not get a card, and then I will enter them into random.org for the bonus card. So Vancouver and Carolina. And Phoenix. So we know that the Ducks got 2 or 3, so Anaheim, Vancouver again, San Jose, Ottawa, Boston, Ottawa, Boston, Chicago. Chicago got a couple. St. Louis. St. Louis. Okay, so I'll try to go as quick as I can here. I'm gonna put in Toronto. Just move these base cards out of my way. Toronto, Montreal, Pittsburgh, Washington, Islanders, Rangers, Winnipeg, Buffalo, New Jersey, Philly, Jersey, Philly, Tampa, Florida, LA, Minnesota, LA, Detroit, Dallas, Columbus, Detroit, Dallas, Columbus. I promise for any hits after this, I will have help, so it'll be a lot quicker and smoother transaction for everybody. Edmonton, Nashville, Calgary, and Colorado. And so I'm going to hit random. See if I can get it so everybody can see. So I'm going to randomize it here 3 times with everybody's name of the teams on there. Get in here. Okay, so random. It's 1. Again. That's 2. And again. So you can see the first place team that comes out on here is Dallas. So the person who chose Dallas as one of their 2 teams is going to win. I'll mark that down. Dallas. They are going to win themselves a nice either autograph card or a jersey swatch card. Thank you for participating in this break, and I hope to see everybody back for the next one. Thank you.